In this video, I'm going to show you how to import data from CSV file into 1Password. You want to first log into your admin console, then click your account on the upper right hand side, then choose import data. From here, scroll down, you will find a section called somewhere else, and you can choose a CSV file. From here, click on next, choose your vault, and let's say I want to choose my card details vault because I want to import some card details as an example. You can choose that, then click on next. Then from here, you want to find your CSV file, so click on select file, and you will choose that CSV file that contains all those credit card details or password or whatever it is. Choose that in here and click on continue. You'll be able to click on continue and you'll be able to proceed to the next step. And as you can see, there's only two more steps remaining, and that's to review the items that contain within those CSV files and basically set labels and so forth, right? And that's pretty much it.